Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system with a stunning reminder of phenomenal bullish reversal, phenomenal institutional buying that started the previous 2 days. Market in entirely different place right now. Market testing this key support. Intelligent trader understands very, very clearly this is not the place to short. If I convert this chart to 5, to 3, to any chart you choose to trade, this is the market now. Predictive, intelligent, simple, critical key, buy and sell points. So intelligent trader right now monitoring for strengths, not weakness. Intelligent trader understand this is key moment in the market. This is not institutional buy, this is retail level. If market will skyrocket from this level, this is a stunning reminder of all we discussed with students. Remember what not to short into. Key moment now. At drastically lower levels before, this is what market has done in the previous 2 days. Number one, reminding you clearly what not to short into. Number two, reminding you clearly when you're trading with institutions, this is when you trade. This is where institutions were taking spectacular bullish positions. This is the event. This is software projected on 3-minute chart. I can project software on any chart. Vertical bullish rally skyrocketing from institutional buy point. What I'm teaching in today's class, where institutions taking positions, is where intelligent trader glued to the screen. Right now there is no institutional levels. This is retail move. Market extremely high. So no matter what chart you trade, you know this far in advance. No software required whatsoever. Intelligent trader also knows to the upside, if you're looking to sell, this is where monitoring for short. This is where you short from. No matter what chart you trade, this is key sell point. If I convert this chart to 5, to any chart you choose to trade, this is the market now. Prior to the market open. So right now when scanner giving us alert, intelligent trader understands all we discussed pre-market. Intelligent trader understands this is retail, not institutional move. And market a whole lot higher than where market was on Monday and Tuesday. Correct? So if you decide to buy the market, remember the most important and the most basic rule. Here we go. I'm projecting software for the trading room where intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse. Simplicity is a key part. The bold red line up front is a problem. This is first step, that's a key that will define strengths versus weakness. I can project software on any chart. Intelligent trader understands there is only one option: to buy, not to sell the market. That's it. So when you're trading markets, strategic, intelligent chess with sniper's mentality, day trading is for you. But if not, use system long term. Trade hourly, trade weekly, trade daily, trade 4-hour chart, trade stocks, trade options, trade forex, trade anything you choose. This is ultimate precision and the reason trading room open, so you can see the system in the live markets. This is critical key target as you learn in the course. Agree? That's it. If you're trading single double lot sizes, you are completely out. If you're trading multiple lot sizes, 70% are off. Stop outside of break even. Flawless chess. Spectacular. Trades played out on multiple other charts. I project software on 1-minute chart. That simple and that pure. After this, trading room closed. We will do monthly summary and we are out. You operate as a sniper. After this, in the market, there will be nothing. Just chop. So again, market pretty high, entirely different day on Thursday, June 29th. On Monday and Tuesday, we had institutional days with spectacular, flawless long entries. Vicious buying continues, but in front of you, price came to reversal zone. In front of you, bold red zone is near. So when intelligent trader William collects 3.75 points, what does this mean on a single lot? If you're trading regular S&P, 3 points on S&P, $150. 4 points on S&P, $200. Single lot. 10 lots, 1,500, 2,000. 20 lots, 3,000, 4,000. All depends on your financial risk management. That's it. Your trading day is over. You operate as a sniper. We discussed all of this with students pre-market. Only option to buy, not to short into. So this is critical key moment. Bold red zone. Intelligent trader never, ever, ever buys red zone. Intelligent trader looking only for short. So when you're looking at this picture perfect example, it's that simple. You choosing to short, not to buy the red zone. Flawless simplicity. It's spectacular and simple. And you knew far in advance where reversal zone will be on this trade. That's it. Your trading day is done. After this, we do monthly recap and we are out. If you want to become successful, you do not babysit the market. You operate as a sniper. Number one rule, you add lot size. After each profitable month, never ever ever number of trades. Trigger happy cowboys thing, more trades, more money. Trading is extremely expensive business. You capturing the most powerful moment in the market. This is it. After this, there will be nothing for hours and hours and hours. So operate as William. Operate as a sniper. Work 10 minutes a day. As my students tell me constantly, this is mind-blowing precision and simplicity. If traders from 14-year-old to 80 can do it, if complete beginner traders can do it, anyone can. So let's recap the events of this month, shall we? Here's the email from Legend, from CEO, who still comes to classes 2 o'clock in the morning. One of the most important quotes, my favorite. Want to reiterate what you teach is revolutionary in the trading space, and it allows one to just sit back and relax and look for the highest probability trades. So you're trading everything. Patrick, this month, spectacular trading. His friend Carlton brought him to the course. Referral to you from Carlton was the best thing to ever happen to my trading career. And so much more. Brad quit job at Best Buy, supporting family of 5. There was nothing easy about trading the months of June, nothing easy. But my goodness, Brett has done just fine. He's adding the lot size, not the number of trades, riding institutional power. So if these traders can do it, so can you. Just obey the rules. And remember, when the bold red line is present, do not buy. Exit your long. Can you do that? It's that simple. Here's Tesla this month. Tesla stock in massive correction. Tesla reversed from identical place where S&P reversed from. And again, with the power of the system, you knew all of these months in advance. So if I take you back on Tesla to the months of December, this is where reversal started from, at Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Tesla no longer at this level. Tesla drastically higher. That's it. Identical event as on S&P this morning. Buy the bottom, sell the top. If day trading is not for you, use system long term. No software on this chart. This can be traded on all platforms. Apple. Skyrocketing, heading higher. Buy the bottom on Apple. You knew this many months in advance. That's it. Bullish rally on Apple overextended. Apple heading higher and higher and higher. Where to enter position on Apple, you must know the rules. Gold. Selling off. Crushing and burning. Gold is not a safe haven. How is it possible? Inflation through the roof, interest rates through the roof. CNBC is blasting buy gold. Gold is safe haven. LOL. Seriously. We're laughing in classes. You knew this months in advance. You learn your lesson. Short reversal zone when rules are met. You just saw it on S&P to the tick. Correct? All played out with the software right now. Reversal zone, bold green zone. Can you obey this power? This is day trading. This is sniper's mentality, but if it's not for you, use system long term and remember, market is a stepping stone. If you cannot come to classes, it's not a problem. 80% of our students do not come to classes. They work full-time or all over the world. You view hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes. Sell-off on gold continues. Euro. Skyrocketing. Skyrocketed to drop from drastically lower level. I timed my trip to meet with students in Europe perfectly when Euro at the ultimate low September 2022. Not anymore. Euro reached the critical key brick wall. Pound. Identical event, pound extremely high. US dollar selling off. There is no good news on US dollar. Not. This is critical key support. Intelligent trader understands market notorious for fake outs. This is crucial event on US dollar. So if you're done gambling, done speculating, done chasing junk indicators, and ready to trade with ultimate precision, I look forward to working with you. Simplicity and the rules are the key. If you can drive, if you can stay in your lane, you can trade Alpha Fibonacci system. So when you come to the website, please view a video made by our graduate Ken about 12-year history of Fibonacci Trading Institute and our global community. If you are done gambling, chasing indicators, and ready to trade as institutional trader, I look forward to working with you. I teach you identical system I taught two JP Morgan traders who left JP Morgan and started their own hedge fund. If you cannot come to classes, it's not a problem. Hundreds of videos of prior live recorded classes available to you. Today I'm recording institutional class. If you are Ninja Trader, software available to you. Software comes with multi-market scanners and trade recognition software. But if you are not on Ninja Trader 8, not a problem. System traded globally, all instruments, all platforms. So please view students' performance as more and more emails coming constantly from traders from all over the world. Can you trade options? Of course you can. Richard retired trading system on options. One of my favorite quotes ever, with mom of two little babies on her arms who is trading Nasdaq. Another successful trading day. Oh, this beautiful game of chess. Patience rewarded. Wait calmly for signs. So if you're ready to trade markets as intelligent strategic chess, I look forward working with you. Simply choose from option appropriate for you. You can also listen to students' podcasts and view student reviews. Private mentoring option for the most desirable savings $8,000. Private mentoring includes group course, video library modules. Last night I was working with student in Australia, so if you are on different time zone, it's not a problem. Again, you considering private mentoring, please reach out first. Only one spot available. Group course second option, savings $5,000. If you are not on Ninja Trader, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. So please, listen to podcasts, view reviews. If these traders can do it, so can you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. As market fell asleep, trading day is done. This is simplicity in front of you, and the only reason trading room is open. So I wish you a spectacular weekend. We are off to institutional class. You are signing up right now. You will be with us in class. There is nothing else in the market. Market is done. Stock in chop. Intelligent trader knows this far in advance.